In this quick tip, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up a layer appearance that automatically reflects everything you draw on that layer. So I've already divided the artboard in two parts using a guide, just drawn from the rulers. And the next thing we need is a rectangle. The rectangle acts like a bounding box, so everything you draw in that rectangle will be mirrored. So just set up this rectangle and we actually don't need to see it. So it has no stroke and no fill. It just serves as the bounding box, so when you draw in here and not directly at the guide, then it will be reflected correctly. So that's why we need that rectangle. Later on, we can also lock it, but not yet. So next thing, target that layer by clicking on the target symbol and then go to the appearance panel. And there is it. And we see the layer is targeted, so it's up here. And then go to Effects, Distort and Transform, Transform. And then what we need to do is set up the registration point, which needs to be in the center, so to the left of this rectangle. And you do this using this symbol, so you click on here. Could also use up there or up there, it doesn't matter for this reflection. And then reflect X and of course make a copy, like so. Okay, so now we can lock the rectangle so that it won't move, and then let's draw something. So I'm going to use the brush tool and set a stroke color, and then let's just draw something, and you see it gets reflected. So now you can draw whatever you want, and of course make sure you don't cross here, because then it will be reflected in the wrong place. So you actually need to draw down there. If you also need to be able to draw over the center, then you need to set this up using clipping masks. But this is the more simple setup that doesn't use any clipping mask, so you just can draw.